Okay, we are here at John's Incredible Pizza, and Angelica is going to celebrate. These are very. We're gonna, there to celebrate her birthday. Angelica, what will you say? Huh? Yes, what? Gonna go, Angelica. Angelica is going to salad bar. Mama, Park is Central later on. Yeah, and take.
Incredible, all the food, beverage, and I am at Oxford Park, Mama.
Okay, we'll get some. Kain ng soup. Angelica, what will you say? Birthday at John. Are you happy? Her 8th birthday today. She is Ariel food. Later on at home, you sing a song and we will take some more videos there. Enjoy the dinner. Okay? Kasi ngayon kaya konti lang din ang mga tao. Sunday, maraming tao dito. The salad bar, Gina is still yum, huh? Later, they have here Grand Central. Nice. You done, mommy? A lot of choices here. Eto mga nagsasama-samahin. Mamaya, kukuha. Ayun na si Mako. Okay. What will you say, baby? Today is your birthday. Angelica, you eat only don't eat too much food ko. Dito ako pero kanina si mama food niya uli sa dun sa arcade mama kanyang dessert. Look here.
When we are all finished with our food, we'll go to the game